In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to vectorize in Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. When you do this, Canva will present all of the projects that you're currently working on. Now simply locate the project that you would like to vectorize and click on it. And when you do this, Canva will open the project in a new window inside of Canva's design editor. Once you are inside, make sure that your image is sized correctly and ready to go. So from here, navigate over to apps in the left-hand menu of options. Click into the search field and type in Vectorize. And when it comes up in the suggested search, click on it. And the app name is Vectorize, so it's the one with the dog. So once you click on it, it will come up with a description of what the app does, as well as permissions required and some images of previews that you can go through. Once you are ready, click on open. So when you do this, the app will ask you to upload or select an image in your design. So what you want to do is click on choose file, and your device's file explorer will open, and you simply just need to select the image that you'd like to vectorize. Click on open or upload depending on your device specifications. So now you will have your image uploaded and layered on top of your current design. So from here, you will have a color style. So you can decide whether you'd like to vectorize it in full color or in black and white. But that's up to you depending on what you would like to achieve. So from here, simply just click on convert to vector, and it will say converting your image, and it can take up to a minute. So just give it some time. Now, once the image has been vectorized, you are able to edit and select different. So the first set of settings are the color palettes. So you can select different color palettes that you would like to use for the newly vectorized image. You can also decide on the number of colors that you would like to have. And below that, there is a section called Simplify Vector, where you are able to simplify it further using the slider, or you can click into the value field and input a specific value. And now, depending on the number of colors that you selected for your vector, you will be able to edit them in the all colors section. So if I pick 4 colors, then I will only be able to edit 4 colors. And you can click on each specific color palette to change the colors. So once you are happy with everything and done, come down here and click on save. And you should have a notification that says successfully saved your image, and now we have our vectorized image. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there was anywhere where you came across issues or have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section of this video below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video.